Okay, today we're going for a ride, hoping to show you a little bit of the beauty of the traffic in Agadir. So we're planning on a smooth ride, hopefully. Not so smooth traffic-wise, but you'll see what I'm talking about. And yeah, thanks for watching. All right. Let's go to somewhere crowded to see just to really jump into the mayhem. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's go. Okay, this is okay. Here we're leaving the, let's say, beach district. We're gonna go to some more colorful places. I hope you're hearing me well. I'm using a new piece of equipment today. I'm trying to just give you something more than just roads and roads and roads and YouTube stock music, I guess. All right, let's go this way. Huh? Huh. Here we're in the big street that's aligned with the Royal Palace of Agadir. The old one. The new one is closer to the beach, or maybe at the end of the Agadir Central Beach. And you see here is pretty airy. A few tourists. I mean, the general mood in Agadir is super cool. It's when you get into the driving, depending on, you know, how stressed you may become by traffic, it can be really a huge ordeal. Yeah, let's turn this off. Roundabouts are absolute hell in Morocco. I guess there's it's still kind of new, really. And people are not used to it. Now we're going to the souk area. Another red light. Yeah, that was just someone on our lane. Casually. Big taxis are, I mean, there's a, you see that the red one there? That's a small taxi. It's different from the big ones, the ones with the yellow and white. Formerly, they were all Mercedes 123 or 124, I can't remember. Old Mercedes cars. This was quite something. And then they changed them all to these Dacia to haul stuff. You're just hauling people through the country. It's actually a good thing, but it removed a little bit of the folklore that was around these old Mercedes cars. It was the Cuba dimension of Morocco. So, where's the souk? We're almost at the souk. Let's see how it is. Oh. From my understanding, I try to avoid getting super amped up or angry about traffic, This is the third day here, or fourth. I think it's the first time driving this year. And I really wanted to share this just traffic thing in Morocco, because it can be overwhelming, but it's still livable, you know? This is the souk. It's the biggest souk in northern Africa. I would say souk, the Arab caravan desert thing, northern Africa, because there's other covered markets like this all over the continent, but this is the biggest one in North Africa. See, a huge taxi station here. So these taxis are taking people all around the area, because taxis will stay in some areas. You know, they go around Sousse or the Agadir region, just taking people from and to places close or far from Agadir. Now, a roundabout. Priority to people inside the roundabout. The cop is watching, and we're should we cross? Let's cross. It's our chance. All right. Ooh. Taxi just stops. No light, no turning light, no nothing. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about this, and whether you feel a little bit overwhelmed by the traffic, and actually, how's the traffic at your place or in your city? I'm really curious. I mean, there's videos, but it's always cool to get impressions from people. And look at this guy. Okay, roundabouts. All right. Okay. That was kind of cool. We're getting out of the paved version. Oh, okay, I think it's a mistranslation. Yeah, we call it pavé in French, so I translated to pavement, but pavement is the black tar thing. What a day. Super hot outside. It's 24.5 degrees. This was the plan. It was taking you to be stuck in traffic with me. You tell me if you prefer the talking or the YouTube stock video. I don't mind. Whoa, what are you doing? What are you doing? This is actually pretty rare to see people allowed to cross. I know I might be a huge cliche machine for this video, but yeah, those cliches are alive and kicking. And we're waiting for the little red man to appear. Okay, this guy just took his chance to get out of the traffic, because this place is locked. It doesn't seem like a beggar, but he was walking in the middle of the road. This guy is making a U-turn in the middle of traffic. Yeah. I need to take you someday. There's a city where you can count tens or dozens of this Renault 19 car. It's been widely imported and sold to locals by other migrants. I mean, Moroccan migrants in France, they would take that from Europe, bring it here to die, but actually never dies. And it's still kicking. And still also driving like crazy. And here, there's no very difficult place here. Mr. Pickup Guy, please. Atlas trip. We're gonna go to the next traffic place. This is the aim of our entire adventure today. Traffic. Oh, I'm sorry, lady, but this is not a crossing place. You're just meters away. Eons away from doing the right thing. This is a let's say a double blade in Morocco. People are extremely free in their minds, free of rules, mostly rules, because social conventions, social pressure, family, the group, the country, the society is extremely pressuring. But anything else, you can do what you want. Just respect our sacred trilogy, say it like that. God, the land, and the king. Besides that, I think you can get by. Not saying anything you want, but you know, just being free. You're free, really, if you can afford it. We're at I think we're reaching the Royal Armed Forces Boulevard. Do-do-do-do-do-da. Skibidi-bidi-bidi-doo-da. You're gonna ride, have a choice. Get on your side, please. Oh, I'm pressuring you. Do-do-do-do-do-do-da. Skibidi-bee-ba, zabba-ba-ba-boo-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. This is a good one here. My guy driving in the middle. Again, it's understandable because people are coming from the left, people coming from the right, cars parked on the right. So I get it. But I think there's a limit between understanding and also saying things and trying to make them better. So I do understand that driving in Morocco can be daunting to some. I mean, even locals are always super cautious because you can always get something on the side. There's always a donkey, a kid, some guy selling something. You're always at risk. But I think it's no reason to just occupy both lanes constantly. I think it's a matter of thinking about the others, but also of, let's say, societal convention. If we start all doing the right thing, we will get to the right place. All right, so see here, left lane, super full. Right lane, this guy is buying old stuff. He's going from house to house, and he's just screaming some kind of specific thing where people know they have to take their old stuff and give it to him. There's no I forgot the word. not a landfill, but there's this place where you legally dispose of stuff. See, we're the only ones stopping. Everybody has to go places. What's this guy do? Yeah, I think he's got a little thing going on. Okay, let's check this one. This one's a biggie. Okay. Lanes. See the Mercedes guy? Just swerving. Doodaloo-doos. Skibidi-beba. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Now we're nearing Hay Mohammadi, which is another district in the city. I think we're gonna leave this huge thing here and go. Let's go east. Thank you. He was gonna go for it, but then he stopped. But if you let him, he's gonna go for it. Oh, look, all these guys are plumbers, electricians that you can hire for almost nothing to do work at home, but it's, again, at your own risk. Everybody's professional. I mean, they want to do the right thing, but you're getting what you're paying for. Thank you, sir, for driving in the middle. Am I gonna stay there? Thank you again. See, you have to pressure people so they leave you some room. Moroccans call it filling the road. You gotta fill the road, fill the place, so you're having enough room for yourself. And again, I've been talking about all kinds of behaviors here, and there's one common factor. It's selfishness. It's extremely selfish driving. It's irritating. I get it. I got super irritated some days. Now I think I can practice this pretty peacefully. But sometimes they get to me. Sometimes they really get to me. Let's see what happens. We're gonna take a right turn here. This place is usually a circus. Doop 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 doop. Viva. Very accident-rich roundabout here on the left. We got people coming from the right, people coming from the left, and it's just you just find cars rolled over from time to time. Do 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 do. Okay, that was it. Thank you for being here, and talk soon.